Welcome back to another how-to episode in regards with crocheting. It's the only sort of series I'm doing on how-tos. I hope you guys are enjoying these. Please like and comment below any questions you have or anything you want me to cover. Anything that you sort of just have any comments about, let me know. I'd love to know if you're a crocheter, what methods do you do? And describe it down below for me, because it's a lovely community, the crochet community. We all need to share, we all share our knowledge, and it's so amazing. And I'd love to hear everyone else's sort of like approaches to things. So please feel free in the comments down below to let me know if A, you're enjoying these, B, if they're helpful, C, if you've got any questions, and just everything else. I want to know how you guys are doing. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Now we're going to get down to how do I hold the yarn and my hook. So I hold my hook like this. Some people hold it like this. Others hold it, and there's so many different ways to hold a hook. Honestly, there's YouTube videos out there. I'd recommend going and looking at those because I'm just going to do what I know today. So the way I hold it is I will place, so have your palm out. I will place the yarn across those 3 fingers. I will go over and I will curl my fingers because that's how we keep tension. Over the index finger, curl the bottom 2, and then with your middle thumb and forefinger is how you will hold your project. And from there, you can just continue to work. And you can just pull it up, keeping that same hand movement. And because you've got those 2 fingers holding tension and it's laced over the top of your index finger, it means that you can actually move your thumb and middle finger onto another part without dropping the yarn. And then you sort of get into a habit of middle finger. There you go. So you just get into a habit of your index finger going under, your other fingers curling around, and your middle finger and thumb holding onto the project. It gets easier the more you do it. I struggled immensely. I think the way I was doing it when I first started crocheting was this like god-awful thing of holding on to both the project and the yarn, and then manually with like my thumb and forefinger doing this, and then being like then tightening. Like it doesn't work. It takes so much longer. But if you use your hand to maintain tension, you can pretty much do whatever you want, and it's so much easier. This has just become habit for me. You probably saw my hand just then instinctively going into this mode because it didn't like doing this anymore. So yeah, that is how I personally hold my crochet hook and my yarn when on a project.